Okay, I'd like to explain to you how to make a pasta filata style cheese. Run you through the three elements: preparing the milk, making the curds, stretching the curds. You can do it right on your stove top. Okay, first of all, you're going to add your milk, and this is an aged style cheese, by the way. So we're not going to pasteurize. Okay, we're going to add our milk, bring our milk temperature up. You want to have a nice thermometer there. Bring the temperature up kind of slowly, just a little bit at a time. And you're going to add your starter. It's a powder mix. You're going to keep stirring. You're going to keep adding it up. Keep bringing your temperature up. The starter is going to be doing some crazy stuff in your milk. You're going to keep stirring till you get up to the temperature where you need to add your rennet. The rennet is what's going to coagulate the cheese. You add your rennet. You stir it a couple times. You take the heat off. And you're going to let it sit for a little while. The rennet is going to help make the milk coagulate. You're going to take a knife, you're going to cut the cheese in a few different ways. You're making like little 1-inch cubes. After that, you're going to let it heal, and then you're going to add heat back to it, slowly bringing your temperature back up. You're going to do this until your pH gets to a certain point, at which point you're going to drain the whey water off. You're going to take your curds, transfer them to another thing of water, about 155 degrees. You're going to take those curds, you're going to stretch them, pull them, and you're going to form your gourds. I'm going to show you a picture of the gourds right quick. They look like that. It's a caciocavallo cheese is what kind of cheese I'm making here. Okay. After you form your gourd, you're going to have some icy water. You're going to throw them in that icy water. It's going to help it hold its shape. You're going to pull them out of the icy water, put them in a salt brine. It's real strong, real salty water. Leave them there for a few hours, several hours. Take them up, hang them to dry, just like you see in the picture here. At that point, they're pretty much ready. It's a caciocavallo cheese at that point. And then, since we're making an aged cheese, you're going to transfer that to an aging facility, which is a controlled environment. And then you're just going to age it out for a few months. Okay, so I have explained the process of making caciocavallo cheese, running through all the elements, preparing the milk, making the curds, stretching the cheese. So if you ever want to try this at home, as you can see, it can be done right here in the comfort of your own kitchen. There are literally thousands of cheeses in the world, many of which are much less difficult to make than caciocavallo. So I hope you can find one that you'd like to try and give it a go. Thank you.